Why is Japonica rice so popular? Japan is famous for a unique and sophisticated cuisine. To create such delicious dishes, Japonica rice is an essential ingredient. Let's explore with K agriculture to see what Japonica rice is and how it tastes. Japonica rice grains are round, short, and smooth, usually white in color and delicate in aroma. One particular feature of Japonica is the fact that rice has a higher content of amylopectin than other rice types. So Japonica rice usually retains its softness, sweetness, and aroma after cooking. Moreover, Japonica rice is rich in nutritious vitamins such as B1, B2, vitamin E, and other minerals like iron and sodium that's good for your health. If you're making Japanese food, like a Japanese breakfast, sushi, kimbap, or simply the Korean sushi roll, this is the kind of rice you use. Nowadays, Japonica rice is cultivated in East Asia, China, Japan, Korea, Vietnam, and Taiwan, and also in Indonesia, Madagascar, and also the Americas, where it was brought to with slave trade. Now back to the question, why is Japonica rice so popular? Japonica rice is very sticky, so it's the most suitable rice for Japanese dishes. In addition, the good quality and reasonable price are the reasons why Japonica rice is widely used. K Agriculture is a top supplier of Japonica rice in Vietnam. K Agriculture has exported Japonica rice to many countries in the world. We have Japonica rice order to India, USA, and many other Asian countries, which is our main market. Our rice is processed carefully in our factory. Please take a look at our Japonica rice factory. K Agriculture is proud to have certificate of FDA, Global GAP, and HACCP. Therefore, our Japonica rice meets global standard to export to many countries. We have introduced to you some interesting facts about Japonica rice. If you like the videos, please like, share, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get access to the latest information.